Oh hey, it's me Olive, your comic queen, and welcome back to my channel. The time has come for another Zodiac makeup tutorial. And today, it's Virgo season, and you know, one of my personal favorite Virgos may be inspiring this look. So if you want to see who that is, or what I'm even talking about, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Cox for more drag fun. All right, I'm gonna go shave my face, glue my brows down, and I will be right back. And I'm back. As you can see, I have my brows glued down and we can get into this look. So this look today is inspired by one of my personal favorite Virgos and a YouTube legend, if you will, Miss Jenna Marbles. And she had this one video where she had a full face of rhinestones, so I thought it'd be the perfect day to recreate a Jenna look. And that's the one I'm doing, so get into it. So for this look today, you're gonna need a ton of rhinestones and lash glue. And I decided to glue down the brows because, you know, it'd be easier to glue on top of the glued brows instead of brow hair. So yeah. And honestly, there's no rules to this. Today we're just having fun, just getting crazy. And so let's get stoned. First, I'm starting with the forehead. I'm placing down some lash glue first, then following that step with a rhinestone and continuing that all over the face. There's the first one. I figured that would be the perfect place to start because that's the place I'm moving the least. This is gonna look so stupid. I'm kind of really excited. Virgo's strengths are that they're loyal, analytical, kind, hardworking, and practical, which is on track with most earth signs. I'm an earth moon, so Virgos and I, we get each other. So like I said, there's no real technique to this. You're really just putting stones on your face, which is you know, a good time. Very time consuming. And for those of you who don't know, Virgos, they're an earth sign. This is so stupid. All right, I'm gonna finish up the forehead off camera to save some time, and then we can get more into Virgos and Jenna Marbles. And I'm back. I have the forehead all done, and I did the nose. This looks ridiculous. I can't. Definitely takes a Virgo to have the patience to do all this. This is so stupid. I love it. Rihanna has nothing on me. I look like I have a disease. It's kind of it. Is this my final form? Maybe. Anyway, so yeah, this is a super in-depth tutorial for those of you who haven't noticed. My face is gonna break out so badly. This is gonna suck. For this, it's easiest to work in sections. I should have did this look for 420. Virgo's weaknesses is their shyness, they worry, overly critical of themselves and others, all work and no play. So another famous Virgo, for you guys that don't know, is Beyonce. She's quiet to herself, but bitch is driven. She knows what she wants, when she wants it, how she wants it done. Professional. Virgo likes animals, healthy food, books, nature, and cleanliness. Oh, that tracks because little Marbles and Peach and Kermit and Bunny. Oh. Hey, Miss Jenna, YouTube isn't the same without her. Is this what I'm wearing for my next performance? Maybe. It looks like the Silver Surfer. I can't move my face. Time to do the other side. So how many of you are Virgos? Let me know down in the comment section below. How do we feel about Virgos? They're very stubborn, very type A, their way or the highway. So they can come off a lot, but usually well-intentioned people. I can't move my face. This is gonna be so difficult to get off. Sometimes I'll just go back to old Jenna videos, watch them. They're soothing. Now I see why people don't do this. This is not practical whatsoever. is this? Hey beach. I love doing stupid things like this. Videos like this make me happy. You keep on dropping. Yeah, definitely should have did the mouth last. This looks so stupid. We're almost done. Just have one section left. Seriously, like no method to this. Wherever I can fit them, I'm fitting them. There's so much glue on my face. Shining bright like a diamond. Did you stone that face? Yeah, unfortunately. It's too much. Did you hear that? She's like a massive stoner. Just kidding. Or am I? Lost another one. Oh. I am now going everywhere like this. Like, this is the new look. This is the look of the future. Who knew that she was such a trendsetter? Could you imagine like actually showing up to a gig like this and have them like try to take you seriously? I've never felt more alive. Which honestly, is just telling of what kind of life I live. Okay, I'm gonna finish up the lips, put on some lashes and a wig, and I'll be right back with the finished look. And this is the finished look, y'all. This Jenna Marbles Virgo makeup tutorial is all finished. How do we feel about it? I feel like I can't move my face is what I feel like. Oh, I can't even smile. This is ridiculous. I like paired the look with some like earrings and like a necklace. I'm like dripping in diamonds, bitch.
Quiet on set.
He wants to get punched. Anyway.
Does she know how you look?
Nope.
How are you?
Oh, you know.
Okay. Bye.
Alright, bye. Her genuinely thinking this is supposed to be like a look that I'm turning. Oh, my eyes like watering.
Don't let it water.
Oh, it's already watering, but it's fine. So how do we feel about the look? What if I like just went to the store like this? Like, could you imagine? Just like wearing a mask. Oh, that would be a gag. Hold on, wait. Should I get a mask? Imagine going to the store and just seeing somebody like this. It's like, oh yeah. Did you stone that face? Sure did. This is so stupid. Excuse me. Oh, little baby pig. It's so cute. I keep on looking at myself in the viewfinder and it's so stupid. This is like hurting my face to smile. Could you imagine like going to a show like this? Just like seeing a queen. Just like, oh, that's her makeup today. Should I answer the door like this? I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys don't mind that I had a little fun today. And, you know, it wasn't really like a drag, like makeup look or anything. I just, you know, wanted to have some fun and, you know, pay homage to one of my favorite YouTubers of all time. The legendary Virgo herself.
Love you, Jenna.
Anyway.
We love you.
We love you, we miss you. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you check out all my other socials at The Other Cox for more drag and, you know, just gay. Alright, I'll see you next week. Bye. Time to take these off. It's stuck to my face. Oh, they're stuck on there. Giblets. I look like my face is falling apart. And look like I'm dying of a disease. I'm the rainbow fish. That's what this is. These are like my fish scales.
Oh, fish.
Fish. Bye.